The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Douglas County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Eudora, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baldwin City, Eudora, and Vinland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for east central Kansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Douglas, Kansas. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, south central Leavenworth County in northeastern Kansas, central Johnson County, Kansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Eudora, or 8 miles northeast of Baldwin City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Overland Park, Olathe, Shawnee, Lenexa, Bonner Springs, DeSoto, Basehor, Edwardsville, Linwood, Lackmans, and Clearview City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 in Kansas between mile markers 217 and 223. Interstate 435 between mile markers 0 and 6, and between mile markers 81 and 83. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 219 and 224. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for northeastern and east central Kansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Johnson, Leavenworth, and Wyandotte.